Hello everyone. In this video, let's talk about bytes and byte array data type. So what is meant by a bytes data type? Bytes data type means a group of byte values. Group of byte values, if you want to represent, then you have to go for byte data type. Okay. So this is not that much frequently used data types in Python. This data type is used to represent images, any binary data, images, some audio files or video files. Then only we have to use this bytes data type. Okay. So for these applications, if you are working on these applications, then only we will go for bytes data type. So bytes data type means a group of byte values. Okay. So if first of all, how to create a byte data type? So for that, take list L equal to 10, 20, 30, 40. So this is my list of elements. As you remembered, always the list should be represented in these square brackets like this, right? So now I want to create a byte data. Okay, so B is equal to bytes. This is the inbuilt function bytes of L. Here I am passing this list of elements as an argument to this bytes inbuilt function. Okay. Now if you print the value of B, okay, if you print the type of B, then the output will be bytes data type. So a byte data type should be created like this. First of all, you have to take the list, and from the list you have to call this list of elements as an argument to this bytes inbuilt function. Then the byte data type is created. Okay. So if you want to represent these values, then we have to go for loop for x in B. Okay, for each and every element in B, in this byte range, if I want to print the x value, then the output will be 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay. So I got the byte data as an output like this. So here I am taking my list and I am passing the list of values as an argument to this bytes function. Then my byte data is created. Byte data type is created. Suppose if I want to print the elements which are present in that byte data type, I have to go for loop. Okay. And if I print each and every element, then the output will be, then the desired output will be in that format. So like that we have to create a byte object, bytes data type. Okay. So here we have to remember some rules. Okay. So here order is important in bytes. So indexing and slicing operations are allowed. Okay. So next one is the bytes data type is valid in the range from only 0 to 255. This is the only allowed range for bytes object. That means here if you take 256, my range is only from 0 to 255. If you take 256, then an error message will be displayed. Okay, we can't create a byte object because this is out of range. My range is only from 0 to 255. Okay. So always make sure whatever may be the values which you are going to create the byte values, those should be in the range from 0 to 255. Okay. And second one is byte is a immutable data type. Immutable data type, that means you can perform indexing and slicing, but I cannot change. Suppose here see, this is 0th index, 1 index, 2, 3, 4, right? I can't assign a B of 1 equal to some 60 like that, even though this is in my range from 0 to 255, but this assignment is not allowed because a byte is an immutable data type. Okay. So here indexing, slicing, all those operations are performed, but make sure always the data should be in the value should be in this range only. Okay. From 0 to 255, and bytes is an immutable data type. That means we cannot perform any changes on this bytes data type. Okay. So that's about the bytes data type. Next, coming to byte array So what is the main difference between bytes data type and byte array data type is, as you know, bytes is an immutable data type, right? But here byte array, it is a mutable data type. That is the only difference. Other than that, both are equal. Bytes is an immutable data type, whereas a byte array is a mutable data type. So here, how to create a byte array object? Okay, so L is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40. Byte array B is equal to byte array inbuilt function you have to call by passing L as an argument. Then if you print the type of B, then a byte array output will be byte array. That means a byte array data type is created. Okay. So here also, just like a bytes data type, the range is valid only from 0 to 255. Okay, the range is valid only from 0 to 255. So here same as the bytes, here also indexing slicing operations are allowed. Okay, as I am saying, it is a mutable data type. That means here if you print, so here 0, 1, 2, 3, these are the index values, right? Okay, so here B of 0 means 10, right? B of -1 is 40, last one. -1 means always it represents the last value, right? So in previously in bytes data type, we cannot assign new values to the positions, right? So B of 0 equal to 10. I cannot assign B of 0 equal to 77 or 70 like that. Okay, I cannot assign any new values. But here in byte array, as it is a mutable data type, I can assign new values to those index values. That means if I want to change this value, okay, by using index, I can change that value to some 50 like that. This is allowed in byte array because it is a mutable data type. As a byte array is a mutable data type, I can change the values, of an objects. Okay, so this is allowed in byte array. Okay, this is allowed in byte array data type. I can change the values. As it is a mutable data type, I can change the values. That is the only difference between bytes and byte array. In bytes, I can't change the values because it is an immutable data type, that is non-changeable. But in bytes, in byte array, as it is a mutable data type, I can change the values. Okay, in bytes I cannot change, but in byte array I can change. That is the only difference you have to remember. And bytes and byte array, these are not that much frequently used data types, but you have to just aware about these concepts in Python. Okay, so that's about bytes and byte array data. Go to file, open a new file. So first of all, you have to create a bytes object. So for that, first you have to create a list, L equal to, so here these are my list elements. Now B equal to bytes of L. So by using this built-in function bytes, I am now creating a bytes object, right? So if you print the type of B, see, so let me run the module. It should be a bytes object, right? So now I want to print the elements in the bytes object. So for x in B, print of x. Okay, now again run the code. So see here 10, 20, 30, 40. So as I told, bytes is an immutable data type. So I just want to show you whether the assigning different objects is possible or not. Okay, as it is an immutable data type, we should not change the content of the bytes object, right? So suppose if I try to change, what happens? See, so b of 0 equal to, so b of 0 is 10, right? Now I am assigning a new value 50. Okay, now let me run the code. See, so you will get an error message. Bytes object does not support item assignment. It is not possible, right? Because it is an immutable data type. We should not change the contents of the object. Okay, so that's about the bytes data type. Now let me show the execution of byte array. So here I am taking the list elements and I have created a byte array object by using this statement. Byte array, it is a predefined function. So you have to pass the list of contents as an argument to byte array object. So if you print the type of B, let me run this code. See. So here it is a byte array data type, right? Again, I am printing the contents of the X. So 10, 20, 30, 40. And B of 0 equal to 50. It is possible here because it is possible. Item assignment is possible because it is a mutable data type, right? Now after assigning this value, let me print the for X in B, print of X. So see here, run the module. So see, 10, 20, 30, 40. So this is for the first for loop and I have assigned B of 0 equal to 50. That means instead of the 0th index element, now it is assigned with 50. So now 50, 20, 30, 40. So that assignment is possible here as it is a mutable data type. Byte array is a mutable data type. So you can change the contents of the objects.